Trading my tractor, which started my YouTube channel, for a mini track loader has not been an easy decision for me. I decided to share my experience test driving these track loaders with you, learn from what I don't know about mini track loaders. Hope you enjoy the video. Ben and Samantha, my Caterpillar salespeople, have done an awesome job giving me quick response times in quotes and also in specifications. They've arranged a test drive on the Cat 259D3 mini track loader and also future video on the 305 mini excavator. Thank you, Ben and Samantha.
You'll see on the top right hand side, there you go. So you can hear it. It engaged right there. So right underneath the screen, that's going to be your RPMs right there. On the floor, on your right foot.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's the acceleration and deceleration pedal. So why don't you hit that real quick? That'll jog your RPMs, or when you have it all the way up, turn that all the way up to rabbit mode. Yep. Now hit that pedal again, which is nice when you're going into a pile, or if you want to load a truck or do whatever. Hit that pedal. There you go. That'll slow your RPMs down, slow the whole machine down.
Okay.
So now you're ready to go. Your left joystick's going to control your arms and your bucket. Right joystick's going to be your travel.
This is the third mini track loader that I've driven, and they're all a little bit different on how you activate the joysticks, where that unlock switch is for the joysticks, and you have to get used to them and get used to the feel of the machines. It is an entirely different experience being in the cab of the mini track loader than it is being in the cab of a tractor, and I'm hoping to demonstrate that in this video. Is there rabbit mode on this? Is there a rabbit button?
Yep.
Where is it?
The left joystick.
It's first you have to, there's a button up here. You have to turn that button on, flip that switch.
Okay.
Once that is on, your trigger on your joystick is what's going to activate you between the two modes.
Yeah, so you'll see.
And then the snail on this button is really slow, right?
The snail is for creep control.
Creep control,
That's when you're running an implement on the machine, and it'll slow everything down on the hydraulics.
And does this have a rear backup camera?
It does. It's integrated with that screen right there. You can get to it by hitting that left button on the screen. You see where I'm talking about? Yep.
You can have it always on if you want.
Yep.
Okay.
And if you don't like the view, you can adjust it on your own. Just 2 bolts. You unscrew them and you can play around with what the camera angle is.
Okay. Can I just run down there and run back with it?
Yeah. I do that. Just be careful because they got that 771. They're doing test runs.
Okay.
So just be aware.
Like it's coming through right now, so I hang out a second.
I can see it on the camera.
What's that?
I can see it on the camera.
Perfect. Yeah.
They have so much huge equipment, at this cat dealer, there was a serviceman testing a huge off-road dump truck, driving it around the service lot. They wanted to make sure that it didn't hit me. I took these videos so I could play them back at my leisure in my house, so I could evaluate what these machines were like in the cab, and also play around with the camera views with the 360 camera. But so many of you have sincerely offered your comments whether I should keep my tractor or not get a track loader. I wanted to share the videos with you and share my experience, and I appreciate your sincerity with your comments trying to help me with this difficult decisions. Thank you very much. Also, thank you to my viewers for helping, and also for Ben and Samantha for providing this test drive and service.